So you can literally do this and it doesn't break, which is nuts. Let's get this out of the way, shall we? The default head strap that comes with the Quest 2 kind of sucks. So here we have the upgraded Elite strap from Kiwi Design, a head strap that offers some unique features over its competition. So is it worth buying? Welcome to my tech gear. Let's find out. So straight out of the box, we have the main headset itself. We also have the padded back head strap, which is also attached to the top strap, and it also comes with a cleaning cloth as well. And assembly of this is super easy. Just take off the facial interface that is on your Oculus Quest at the moment, and then take the sides of the head strap off. Then thread through the top strap out of the Oculus Quest, and you're ready to install the Kiwi head strap instead. So to install this, we first need to assemble the main head strap itself. So take the white surround and also the black back strap. There is an L and an R on both sides, so it's easy to align both and make sure you're putting it in the right way around. Once you push them in, then you'll hear a click and then you know it's installed properly. If you do have them on the wrong way around, it just won't click in, so do make sure that you check the L and the R on both pieces. So take the two side connectors and simply attach them to the main Oculus Quest unit, putting it on the front first and then pushing it in so that whole thing clicks into place. Then take the top strap itself, thread it through the top of the main Quest headset, and then once that's done, then Velcro it, and then take your facial interface and clip it back into place. Your head strap is now fully installed. There is an adjustable dial at the back which allows you to move it in or out, and it will go very, very small and also very, very large. It will fit a range of head sizes from 17.7 to 29.5 inches in size. So it is going to suit a lot of different people and makes it particularly good for bigger heads. The padded head strap on the back as well is nice and comfortable, far more comfortable than the Elite strap that Oculus provide because it has the padding built into it. You don't have to buy an extra pad as well. It's really soft on the back of your head, so if you do get a aching head if you wear other Elite straps, this is going to be better for you. And the padding doesn't stop there either, so if you look at the head strap across the top, it is there as well. It is also a lot wider, so both of those things are going to work to make sure that the weight is more evenly distributed across your head. And both the backrest and the head strap are made of PU leather, so they're easy to wipe and keep clean. And here we get to the most unique feature about this head strap, and it is that front hinge. So this allows the front of the headset to lift 52 degrees, which is really useful, especially if you're trying to take it on and off, because you don't have to keep undoing and tightening the back. You can just lift that and then it easily comes off the top of your head. It's also really useful if you want to see your surroundings really quickly, because you can just lift that either whilst you're in a game or not. Also, if you play a lot of fitness games and in between rounds or sessions or whatever game you're playing, you can lift that to help give you a bit of extra airflow, wipe the sweat off your face, put it back down, and then you're off playing a game. Now I do know that we have video pass-through now enabled on your Oculus Quest. However, sometimes it is just easier to flip your headset up to have a look than it is to try and double tap to enable pass-through. So one of the most unique features about this head strap is its bendability, which you wouldn't think would be a pro, but given the amount of breakages that the official Elite strap from Oculus has been having, that's not a bad thing. It just has a lot more give in it. So you can literally do this and it doesn't break, which is nuts. So having that flexibility, I think, just makes it more durable in the long term. It does clip on really well to the headset itself, and all in all, it just generally feels very solidly built. So I've been using this for a while now, and I have to say, all up, I really enjoyed using this. This is now my default head strap on my Oculus Quest headset. It is so comfortable to wear for long periods of gaming. That padding on the back, the padding on the strap across the top itself makes such a big difference. It makes it feel less like it's clamping on your head, which it is, but it feels like the weight is more evenly distributed across your head, so it is far more comfortable to wear. It almost makes it feel like a hybrid between a clampy headset and a Halo head strap because of the amount of padding. And that front hinge is super useful for being able to easily take it off, have a break during gaming sessions, things like that. It's a really well-designed headset. I'm really impressed with that. My Elite strap is now sitting over there in the corner. I don't know what I'm going to do with that now. I'll think of something. One thing I would say though is storage. So this will not fit the default Oculus storage case that you can buy from Oculus itself. Kiwi Design do have a video that shows you how to put it and fit it into that case. You basically have to disassemble this every time you want to put it in the case, which kind of sucks. So rather than do that, I would suggest getting a case that fits this as is. And my default go-to case that pretty much fits anything you can throw at it is the Bobo VR-C2 case. Now, I haven't done a review for this on the channel yet, but it is an awesome case. It is bigger than the Oculus case itself, but by doing that, it means it pretty much fits anything you throw at it, bar like a FrankenQuest mod or something like that. So I can fit this, along with the Kiwi Design controller grips and the VR dumbbells, all in the case without having to take anything off, and it just fits. It is a great case. So should you buy it? Yes. So if you're looking at getting a replacement head strap for the default one that comes with the Quest, then yes, consider this. If you are looking at a replacement for the Oculus Elite strap because either it broke or you're not that confident that it's going to last, then yes, consider this. In a sea of third-party head straps, the Kiwi Design upgraded Elite strap sets itself apart with some truly innovative features like the front hinge and the plush padding. It is super comfortable to wear and an easy recommendation to make. I will place the purchase link to it and the Bobo VR case in the description down below, so you can go check them out for yourself. If you'd like to look at some more great Quest 2 accessories, then be sure to check out my video up here. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and share it. Consider subscribing if you're not. And as always, see you in the next one.